In a major operation against narcotic smuggling, the Assam Police seized 21,600 bottles of cough syrup from a vehicle at the Assam-Tripura border near Churaibari outpost on Sunday morning. The vehicle, bearing registration number WB23D7176, was intercepted at a naka point. Police have arrested the driver and a case under the NDPS Act has been registered. According to sources, on Friday night, two vehicles with Assam registration were seen moving suspiciously around the Assam-Tripura border. Acting on alertness and vigilance, Assam Police deployed at the Naka point in front of the Churaibari police outpost stopped a suspicious goods truck on Sunday morning. On searching the vehicle, officials discovered 144 cartons carrying approximately 21,600 bottles of Khorang-based cough syrup. Each carton contained 150 bottles. The estimated black market value of the seized consignment is more than 1 crore rupees. Police have arrested the driver, identified as Shahid Afridi, a resident of West Bengal. During questioning, Afridi revealed that he had transported the consignment from Malda in West Bengal for a payment of 12,000 rupees. However, he denied having any knowledge about the actual owner of the goods.
আমার ড্রাইভারি বেতন 12,000 টাকা ছাড়া আমি আর কিছু জানি না। মালিকরা বলতে পারবে, মালিক বা যা ট্রান্সপোর্ট যারা লোড করিয়েছে ওরা বলতে পারবে, এটা আমার জানা নেই। স্যারেরা এখন বার করছে। ওর নাম সৈয়দ আফ্রিদি, মিরুল ইসলাম, থানা আমাদের কালিয়াচক। গ্রামের নাম লালুটলা। এখন আমি থাকি 17 মাইল, নতুন 17 মাইল।
Officials confirmed that a case has been registered under the NDPS Act and further investigation is underway to identify the network behind the illegal transportation. The massive seizure has once again highlighted the Assam-Tripura border as a key road for narcotic smuggling. Police have intensified vigilance in the area to prevent further attempts of illegal drug transportation. Your report, Chini Khorang.